Hello, little friends. Welcome to Lily and Heidi's STEM Myanmar. It's time to read, learn, and have fun together. Today, we're going to practice reading some simple greeting sentences and everyday expressions about how we feel. Are you ready to read and speak with us? Let's go! What's your name? Now you try. What's your name? My name is Lily. Can you repeat after me? My name is Lily. Nice to meet you. Your turn to say it. Nice to meet you. How old are you? Your turn. How old are you? I'm 6 years old. Now you try saying it. I'm 6 years old. Let's play. Say it with me. Let's play. Look at this. Go on. Look at this. It's my toy. Now you say it. It's my toy. I want to play. It's your turn. I want to play. I like ice cream. Can you say it? I like ice cream. It's hot today. Try and say it. It's hot today. I'm hungry. It's your turn. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Can you say it? I'm thirsty. I'm sleepy. Now it's your turn. I'm sleepy. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing reading to make your English more natural. See you in the next video and have a nice day.